Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my, Wednesday tip video, I think I have a really good one to share with you. So you know how when we want to pool some ink in the lid of our ink pads, you have to turn them over and you have to push in here really hard and then hope that you get a pool of ink in here. Sometimes we have to do it 2 or 3 times. It's really hard to push the newer style ink pads in to get that pool of ink in this lid. Well, I have the solution to do away with that whole process. I'm going to open up my ink pads here. And I've got Mossy Meadow, Balmy Blue, and Crumb Cake. And then I've got some of my acrylic blocks. Guess what? Just put your block in the ink. You don't need to push anymore. And this is really, really helpful for those of us that may be losing strength in our hands. I know that I am having that issue. It's hard to open bottles. They don't squeeze so good anymore. Yeah, I know we're getting along in age a little bit, but we're not going to go there today. We're just going to find a solution to do away with that hard squeezing. I've got an aqua painter here, and I'm just going to come in here and pick up some of this color off the acrylic block. And if you guys aren't familiar with this set yet, I know I haven't done a lot with it, but this is our By the Bay stamp set. And it's one of our beautiful selections during celebration. You can get this free with your $50 order. Now I'm just going to do a tiny bit of watercoloring here with ink so you can see just how wonderful this works. It is truly a fantastic idea. And how about we'll just bring in a little bit of the green here. We've got some green trees and a little bit of grass. And I think this is as far as I'm going to go on this piece, because I'm going to figure out what to do with the rest of this card for the creative inking blog hop that goes live tomorrow night on my blog. And again, stampabove.com, that's where you're going to find it. You can click right up here in the corner. That's going to take you to my blog. I'm going to finish this card up on Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Central Time. This is going to post to my blog February 20th. I think you guys are going to love what I come up with. I've got a really great idea in my head, but I haven't put it all together yet. Because today I wanted to share this tip with you about the blocks. Okay, what do you do with the blocks when you're done? You can wash them off in the sink. If you're in your stamp studio, you can grab a baby wipe and these will clean right up, ready to go for your stamps or to ink them up again. Super easy to clean them off. I hope you guys find this tip very helpful. Tune in every Wednesday for another stamping tip from me. Thanks for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Click down here to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. I will have a new video tomorrow night, Wednesday, February 20th, where I show you what I did with this beautiful image from the By the Bay stamp set, free with your $50 order. All right, you guys, have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye.